Alright boys, today we're gonna take the Senton out. Like I said in my previous video, I had a buddy that printed me out, 3D printed me out a little bumper brace here. On the original bumper there's like little freaking, whatever the hell this is, bars. It had little bars that come through here and that mount into here. So this replaces that whole piece. And we're gonna take it out for a little bash and see if it holds up. Oh shit. Alright, well if it held up, I'll call that a win so far. We'll take about 10 laps though. Oh. Ow. Oh shit. There's a piece that fell off right now. I told him when he printed them out and he gave them to me that this is probably gonna be the piece that fails, and sure enough. So we're gonna have to figure out if we can maybe extend it this way. This piece seems to hold up, but honestly I think this side was the smaller side around the screw. So that's what broke off. So, whatever, we'll keep going. We might have to call this one a fail. He did give me 4 of them, and I only have 2 cars, so. We'll run that back through the 3D software and maybe build it up a little bit. Oh shit. Alright. I'm probably pretty sure the other side broke on that one. And some freaking knob shiner is trying to freaking cut grass over there or something. And it's killing my vibe. Alright, so the other side cracked pretty damn good. It's about to break. But we'll run it. Oh no, it just broke. Never mind. Alright, so we call this a fail, dog. I don't know if it was any thicker, if it would do any good. Honestly, what I should have did is put washers on here, screw it down. So that's what I'll try next time. I'll screw this back down and put washers in instead over the top. And see if that works a little bit better. Maybe it grabs a little bit more, but I'll shut up now. Oh, poo. Oh, this truck is amazing. This is light and fast. Does that bumper come down again? No. Yeah, she's screaming right there, right around the corner. It flies so nice. So nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh. No. It's got just enough control. I can straighten it out in the air. Such an amazing truck. It probably handles a little bit different with the factory Senton tires on it, but I thought about buying those, but you know what? This handles so well. Like, I don't want to freaking change. I assume that this factory Senton tires are a little bit softer and would roll a little bit more, so I'm kind of afraid. I'm afraid to buy them and put them on and then be unhappy with them and never use them. So, and I can't use those tires with anything else because they're 14mm hubs or 14mm hexes. All right, I think my battery's getting about halfway down there. All right, boys, until next time. So if you see those on eBay, don't buy them. They look like they're gonna be, oh shit, I think I got some bad electronics. You know what, it's probably that used motor. But anyways, we'll run it till it dies. I got a spare one anyways. All right, Ragged RC, boys. Peace.